Hi everyone! For work I will use a 1.4mm crochet hook and a ball of 100% mercerized cotton yarn, 169 meters and 50 grams. You can choose any kind of yarn and any crochet hook. And in this video you will see how to crochet quick to make project. Let's crochet the motif or element. I will start from foundation ring, make chain of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well done. And join the chain in the round by making a slip stitch into the first chain stitch. My foundation ring is ready. Let's crochet the first round. It is going to be a round of single crochet. Make a chain, work into the ring, make 12 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So, as you see, I removed a long piece of yarn. To complete this round, I skip the chain stitch, insert the hook into the first single crochet, make a slip stitch. Let's crochet round 2. In total, I will get 2 rounds only in this element. Make a chain, insert the hook into the single crochet, make single crochet, make chain of 4, then chain more and work with the next row. I'm going to work with chain stitches, yarn over the hook, make 2 half double crochet in a row, 1 and 2 and 2 single crochet, 1 and 2. Insert the hook into the same stitch, make single crochet. Turn the work. I will turn the work in one direction. Work with back loops only. Make single crochet. In total it should be 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make a chain, yarn over the hook. Make 2 half double crochet in a row. I'm working with 3 loops. 1, 2 and 2 single crochet in a row. 1, 2. Well done. Insert the hook into the same stitch, make single crochet. I turn the work and work in the same way as I showed you before. Make 4 single crochet in a row. Work with back loops. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Make a chain, yarn over the hook and work with 3 loops. Make 2 half double crochet in a row. 1, 2 and 2 single crochet. 1 and 2. Insert the hook into the next stitch, make single crochet. So I'm going to work with single crochet twice. So it means I will finish 2 rows. Let's do it together. I'm done the first one. Turn the work with back loops. make 4 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, make a chain, work with 3 loops, make 2 half double crochet in a row, 1, 2, and 2 single crochet, 1 and 2. Insert the hook into the same stitch, make single crochet, turn the work, work with 4 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, chain, work with 3 loops, make 2 half double crochet, 1, 2, 3, and 4. I am done single crochet twice into this stitch. Then work with next stitch. Insert the hook into the next stitch, make single crochet. Keep working in this way till the end of this round. Then I will show you how to complete this round with me. Once I have done all my rows, in total it should be 23 rows. You should check yourself. 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. So you can count your stitches. Once I have done the last single crochet, as I did before, turn the work, make one more row of single crochet. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Well done. Continue. I don't do my chain. Instead of this, I remove the hook, turn the work on the front side. This is the beginning of the work. I insert the hook into the chain stitch, take the working loop, pull it through. Here how it looks on the front side. As you can see, I already cut off my yarn. I insert the hook into the chain stitch, then insert the hook into the loop, take the working yarn, pull it through, make slip stitches 1, and this is the second chain stitch and loop, 3, if it's difficult for you, so you can sew 2 sides together using the sewing needle. 1 more. In total it should be 4, and make the last one. I do not pull my slip stitches to secure the yarn by making a chain. And that's it, my motif is ready. Turn the work and let's look what I have done. so my seam is not visible on the front side. It is very interesting and simple round motif. I'm making this motif in 3D crochet. So my project is ready. Here how it looks when I am done. It consists of simple stitches such as single crochet, half double crochet, chains, and slip stitches. You can use it like a decoration, or it could be part of big motif. In this case, you can put it to the center of the flower. Here how it looks. You can use it like a brooch, or you can use another kind of yarn and it could be perfect for coaster or mug rug. If you like different colors of yarn, you can use variegated yarn for your motif or leftovers. Please write comment below this video what you will get with me and where you will use my motif. All additional information about the tools, useful links could be found in the description of each video tutorial. How to crochet such kind of flower you will see in the next video tutorial. Please don't miss it. Don't be afraid to experiment and please join my video tutorials. And good luck crocheting and see you next time. Bye!